Hi guys, my name is Rostum JC Conte. My tutorials today is color in Japanese. Okay, let's start. Red, aka. Again, red, aka. Next is blue. Blue is au. Au. Yellow, kiru. Kiru. Green, Midori. Midori. Green, Midori. Purple, Murasaki. Purple, Murasaki. Brown, Chairo. Chairo. Pink, Pinko. Pink, Pinko. Orange, Orange. Orange, Orange. So that is the basic of color in Japanese. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye. Again, Rostum Conte. Japanese tutorial is okay.